Master EDCOIN Wallet. In this tutorial, you will learn how to complete your KYC application or registration. KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, is an important and integral part of owning crypto. It ensures compliance with international regulations. It further secures your wallet and assets by way of your ID. Please have your choice of ID ready. You can use your driving license or identity card or passport or others. You will need to upload photos of the front and the back of your ID. KYC application and registration process. Please prepare your ID. Once again, that's either your driving license, your IC, or your passport, or any national government documentation. Go to the KYC registration screen and click on Go to Registration. Fill in your full name, last name, and your middle name as per your chosen ID. Scroll the calendar to enter your birth date, then click OK to continue. Enter your phone number by choosing your country or country code, followed by your phone number, then click on Next. Once again, as per your ID, select your country, enter your city and postcode, indicate your preferred type of ID, and indicate if your ID has or does not have an expiry date. Enter an expiry date if there is. Carefully enter your ID and upload or capture photos of the front and back of your ID. Click Submit when ready. Congratulations, your KYC application has been submitted. Please allow Master EDCOIN Wallet Administration to review your KYC application. Please allow for up to 72 hours, allowing for public holidays and weekends. Please check your email inbox or spam folder for your KYC approval. In the event of your KYC application is rejected, you will receive an email informing you of the rejection. Please resubmit your KYC registration. Master EDCOIN Wallet. Let's build forward together